Hi there, Josh here with Evergreen Tutorials, and I'm going to show you about the network days function in Excel 2016. First thing we're going to do is just look at the function, type in equals network days, and it's going to ask us for a start date and an end date, and an array of holidays. Let's look at start date and end date. The network days is pretty flexible about what data we can put in. I can put in a formatted date, so 1/22/2018, I can put that in and it will work with that. I can put in the serial number, I'll get to that in a second. I can put in a long date. These are actually all the same. These are just the today function. They're all just formatted differently with our number formats. So we have a general short date, long date, and whatever else we desire. One thing it will not work with is dates in quotes. For some Excel functions, you have to put the date in quotes, otherwise it will see it as math. The network days function is not quite one of those things. So if you are ever putting in dates, hand typing them, do not use quotes, and it will also accept functions within the function, so such as the date function. Let's look at how that works here. So here we're going to example of the network days, so we type in equals network days, left parenthesis, and it's going to prompt us for a start date, and I'm going to reference the cell, so I'm going to click up here, and it will see 12/25/2017 in this space here, comma, our end date, I'm going to select this one. So 1 year from Christmas of 2017 to 2018, comma, now it's going to ask us for our holidays. Now, what it would be normal to do is just select this entire array I have prepared here, so I have all the holidays and the dates, but as you can see right here, it will throw us an error, and we don't quite want to do that. So what we want to do is just adjust it to where we only have the days selected. Press enter, and there we go. We have the network days between those two dates. This function can also return to us a negative value. So say our start date is after the end date. We press enter and we actually have negative 254 days now. So this is just kind of how the network days function works. Also be mindful of your input, and over here I have a quick explanation of what the serial number is in Excel speak. So here I have a list of dates, and I have a list of dates down here. These are actually the same dates, just formatted differently. Now, it'll usually come out as 43,000 whatever. The 43,000 is the days after January 1st, 1900. Excel has to convert these dates to numbers in order to work with them. I'm Josh here with Evergreen Tutorials, and you have an idea now of how to use the network days function in your spreadsheets. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for other educational videos. Thank you and have a nice day.